Happy Monday. So starting off my week dressed up like this. We are out and about for my oath taking this time to be a Filipino citizen. So I am now doing the oath taking, and my citizenship will be dual, Filipino and Australian. So we are now heading to the location, call time 7:30, registration, etc., etc. So we are so excited for this, another special day for me, for us. So see you when we get there. Ay, ay, ay. So we just arrived here at the location, call time 7:30 as always. Early bird 7:09. So let's go inside because they say we have to come earlier for checking of documents, and at least that way, since I'm vlogging and Glenn will have to hold the camera so we can get a good spot where it's gonna be easier for him to get up without interrupting others. So let's go. This is my outfit for today. We are such in a hurry. No jacket, Sakura princess. I only got one problem. My bra is right here. I have to push it up because this is the smallest bra I've got and I got no choice. So let's go. Let's go. We are now here at Filipino-Australian Club of Perth Incorporated. Let's go. Ay, sand. Oh, there's a few people already. Hello, good morning po. Good morning.
We conduct the dual citizenship ceremony. It's actually called the reacquisition or retention of Philippine citizenship. We do it every Thursday at 10:50. But recognizing that in Canberra, but recognizing the for services here, we come to Perth at least once or twice every year. So just to give you a small or brief background, una po, siguro pasalamatan ko yung ating mga kasamahan dito from FACPI, ang ating pong dating honorary consul at honorary vice consul, si Virma and Mel, yung mga kasama ko po dito sa embassy. Kami po galing Canberra, so dumating kami kagabi.
Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome to, I'm very much pleased to be welcomed in warmer Perth. And I heard we already had a sort of like so many to unpack from the presentation made by the Consul General. But I'm here for some few meetings and also to formally express the appreciation of the government of the Republic of the Philippines to two of our most hardworking honorary consuls and vice honorary consul that we had ever had foreign service. So please join me in applauding our outgoing honorary consul, Ms. Virma Simons, and our outgoing honorary vice consul, Melissa Aguasa. Thank you, ladies. You just showed really the work of women when they're empowered to do something, not just for the community, for the country, but also for the bilateral relations between the Philippines and Australia.
May we call to the stage first the former honorary consul, Virma Simons, and the former honorary vice consul, Melissa Aguasa, for a brief ceremony to pass on to them the certificate of appreciation from the Philippine Department of Foreign Affairs for their service as the honorary consulate officers.
It is my great pleasure and honor to award the Certificate of Merit and Appreciation on behalf of the Republic of the Philippines and the Department of Foreign Affairs. Certificate of Merit and Appreciation To whom these presents shall come, greetings. Whereas the Secretary for Foreign Affairs of the Republic of the Philippines, having trust and confidence in the ability, character, and integrity of Ms. Vilma L. Simons, had initially appointed her as consul ad honorem of the Republic of the Philippines in Perth, Western Australia on 15 March 2020. Whereas Ms. Vilma L. Simons demonstrated exemplary professionalism, integrity, and dedication in discharging the duties and responsibilities of her office from 15 March 2020 until 14 March 2024. Whereas she ably and selflessly devoted her time and efforts in serving Filipinos in her consular jurisdiction. Whereas in the course of her duty, Ms. Vilma L. Simons promoted and protected Philippine interests in her area of jurisdiction and encouraged trade, tourism, investment, and economic linkages between the Philippines and Australia. Now, therefore, I, Enrique A. Manalo, Secretary for Foreign Affairs, hereby award the Certificate of Merit and Appreciation to Ms. Vilma L. Simons in recognition of her dedicated service to the Republic of the Philippines. In witness whereof, I have hereunto set my hand on the Certificate of Merit and Appreciation and affixed the seal of the Republic of the Philippines in the city of Manila, the 14th day of March in the year of our Lord, 2024. Signed, Enrique A. Manalo, Secretary for Foreign Affairs, attested by the undersigned Philippine Ambassador, Canberra, Australia. Congratulations, Vilma.
I don't know what to say. Thank you very much to our ambassador and of course our Consul General Ian Karingam, Ambassador Helen, and to the Republic of the Philippines. Thank you for conferring me this recognition, and of course to my family. Chantal is here, partner Phil, and the Filipino community in Perth. Thank you for trusting me, for believing in me. Thank you for this recognition that I will keep for life. It is my honor to receive this. Thank you all.
Perth, Western Australia. Congratulations, please.
Good morning, everyone, and good morning, Ambassador and Consul General. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, Ma'am Ambassador Helen de la Vega and Consul General Ian Karingal for giving me the opportunity to serve our kababayan. And thank you for your trust and confidence. At this point, I would like also to acknowledge their dedication and their commitment to serve us here in Perth, kahit na they need to leave their posts in Canberra just to do this mobile passporting. I think they deserve a round of applause. It's a great honor po and isa po malaking karangalan paglingkod po sa ating bayang Pilipinas at sa inyo po mga kababayan ko. Salamat.
Pakitaas po ang kanang kamay. Pananumpa sa katapatan. Ako si
Dulce Amor Franco.
Ay taimtim na nanunumpa. Na aking itataguyod. At ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas. At tatalima sa angking nitong mga batas. At kautosang legal na pinairal ng mga sadyang itinakdang makapangyarihan ng Republika ng Pilipinas. At ihayag ko sa pamamagitan nito na kinikilala ko at sumasailalim ako sa kataas-taasang kapangyarihan ng Republika ng Pilipinas
ng Republika ng Pilipinas
at mamamalaging tunay
at mamamalaging tunay
na matapat at nananalig dito
na matapat at nananalig dito
at kusa kong mabalikatin
at kusa kong babalikatin
ang pananagutang ito
ang pananagutang ito
nang walang anumang pasubali
nang walang anumang pasubali
o hangaring umiwas.
o hangaring umiwas.
Congratulations po. Welcome back. Pwede na po tayo magtinikling. Okay.
Don't give me the oh my god for. So the oath taking is done and dusted, and it's just a shame to change the outfit. So we're thinking what to do after. Sige na.
Where do you want to go?
We go crown and take photo.
And have a drink?
No, and then we go home. I just love my outfit and I love his outfit.
We'll go to Crown then.
Yeah, we're going to Crown. It's just nice photo kayo. When we get there, nice.
I need a
drink.
drink.
You need a drink?
After all that.
Yeah? Lemon lime bitters na lang.
For you.
Yeah, and you can have your beer if you like a beer.
Yes.
Yeah? Alright, let's celebrate today. So, just having a drink, lemon lime bitters as it is in for you. Give me a thumbs up, 1, 2, 3. Since I'm still on prep, a simple celebration with my lab, with a drink and foods later on after the comp. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all about my dual citizenship stories. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next vlog.